I will embark on a journey to Brunei Darussalam for a state visit. It's my first state visit to Brunei Darussalam, and it is part of my traditional tour of fellow ASEAN member states since I assumed the Philippine presidency 2 years ago. Brunei and the Philippines have enjoyed historically warm relations based on mutual respect and trust and confidence. Sa aking biyahe patungong Brunei, babaunin ko ang aking tungkulin at pangako na lalo pang palakasin ang ating pagkakaibigan at pagtutulungan ng ating bansa sa ibang bansa kagaya ng Brunei Darussalam. And as soon as I arrive at Bandar Seri Begawan, I will be meeting with His Majesty Sultan Haji Hassan Al-Bolkiah to review the progress of our bilateral cooperation, explore new mutually beneficial partnerships and collaborations aimed at achieving prosperity. We must now deepen the bonds of friendship between our two countries. Kabayan, sa pagtulungan at pagkakaisa natin, tutungo po tayo sa pag-angat ng kabuhayan ng Pilipino at sa kaunlaran ng ating bansa. So even as you build your lives here in Brunei, join me as we work together for a bagong Pilipinas.